Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we learned how to access and modify individual pixels. The only problem is that when the program finishes, all of those changes disappear. In this lesson, we'll learn how to save our edited images so they become permanent files on our computer. To save an image, OpenCV provides the cv2.imwrite function. It accepts two arguments, the file name you want to create and the image you want to save. If the file doesn't already exist, OpenCV creates it automatically. If a file with the same name already exists, it will be overwritten, so keep that in mind when choosing your file names. The imwrite function also returns a Boolean value. If it returns true, the image was saved successfully. If it returns false, something went wrong, such as an invalid file path or insufficient permissions. It's a good habit to check this value, especially when you're building larger applications. Let's run the program. After it finishes, you'll find a new image in the project folder. If we open it, we can see that our modifications have been permanently saved. OpenCV supports many image formats, including JPG, PNG, BMP, and TIFF. In most cases, the format is determined automatically from the file extension you provide. For example, saving as photo.png creates a PNG file, while photo.jpg creates a JPEG image. Saving images is a simple feature, but you'll use it constantly. Whether you're creating filters, detecting objects, or processing thousands of images automatically, you'll almost always want to save the final result. In the next lesson, we'll begin manipulating entire images instead of individual pixels by learning how to resize them while preserving their quality.